Hey guys, Tony, good morning. So I just wanted to point this out. Spell token is a small, it's not necessarily my fool's insurance, but I actually just bought into it. Um, what is it called? I bought into it just like this past weekend. And I just, only reason I really bought into it was because the market cap is stuck at zero, the circulating supply is stuck at zero, and the volume is $91 million. And really, like, I don't really care too much about what this actually does, as more as how long it's actually been trading on Coinbase. It really hasn't been trading all that long. I think it only has like a month or so. So the only reason I bought it really was because it was hitting a really nice support zone. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna pick some up as like a mini fool's insurance, see what happens. I'm up about almost $200 on this. I bought only about a grand or so, but I'm gonna keep this going just because I think this is kind of a weird play. The fact that market cap and circulating supply is stuck at zero, I don't really know what's going on there. But this is a new coin, and I think Spell. Honestly, I just bought it because of the name. I just think it sounds really cool. Apart from it being a more of a DeFi platform where you can actually use Spell to like stake certain stuff. But again, this isn't really what is it called? This isn't really about what the token does, as more of a kind of a meme thing for myself. And I just thought it was like, I mean, I'm up like a couple hundred, to almost $200, which is great. But it was just kind of odd, right? Spell token in itself is kind of odd. I'm not really gonna look into it because I don't care. The TA just look really good. Um, it's actually closing a bullish week sometime this week, I think. So I think right now is a perfect time to actually get into to Spell, at least TA wise, right? So I'll show you guys really quick what the chart looks like. I think I was looking at Spell Sushi Swap. Let me see. Spell USD, Bitfinex, Spell. Give me a second, guys. I don't know. It hasn't been trading on a lot of platforms. I think it's relatively new, like on Coinbase, right? It's only been trading for like this is its third week that it's been trading, right? Like third week that it's been trading. So it's kind of funky that it's not really anywhere. Let me see. Daily. It just got listed on Gemini today. So funny. Spell. Yeah, man, it's kind of hard to really see like what's it's trading against, right? Like on the day, yeah. So it's still brand spanking new, and I usually like buying brand new tokens when there's like a really nice reversal on certain charts, right? But I can't even find spell spell. There we go. So Spell against Ethereum is going to start running super hard, and it's really closing a bullish week on Ethereum against Ethereum, right? And it's still staying pretty consistent to its previous level. It bounced right off. So as of right now, I am just kind of trading it as, I don't want to say YOLO, but it is definitely fool's insurance, right? I mean, small trend right there. Small trend got created like right here when it hit that bottom wick right there. I mean, I guess I can put this a little bit higher, maybe like right there. Um, but for the most part, as of right now, it looks like it is going to be closing a bullish week against Ethereum, which is fantastic because everything is starting to run relatively well right now. And I'm hoping that doesn't stop anytime soon. It probably has resistance there, more than likely resistance here, and then some more resistance possibly like right. Can I go higher? Yeah, like right there. And then probably more like down here somewhere. So definitely has a lot of resistance points coming up. I think if it manages right now to cross over point whatever against Ethereum, I think it'll keep running hard to the upside. But it's still on trend. It's going to close a weekly bullish trend against Ethereum, which I'm super happy about. So definitely going to be holding Spell. I don't know what's up with the market cap. It's showing at zero, and then the circulating supply is also showing at zero. So I have no idea what's going on. But threw $1,000 at it, and then when the market cap actually shows up, then I'll figure it out, right? Or I'll probably just look at it on Coin Market Cap. But as of right now, it does look like it wants to run heavy, and it does look like it wants to pass this next major resistance level, and which I think it will, right? Because you had a nice little peak here, you had a higher high, on the wick and then a higher high on the wick right here. So I'm definitely inclined to think that this is going to be the next stop up here. So Spell, kind of a random token. I bought it as not really Fools and Trends because I think Spell is kind of okay. I don't think it's a meme coin. I just think it's new, right? It's just a new coin play that I got. Just kind of see what happens. So I'll see you guys later. TA is supporting a run on the weekly, which is great. I think it definitely has a chance of running another, what would you call this? Let me see. We'll do from here. I don't know. We'll do this. Run from here to here. It ran. We'll do lows. 0.0007892. I mean, sure, we'll do that. 7892. 7892. We'll stick with that. A couple of zeros right there, all the same. So maybe another 478% from these lows down here or so. If you bought in, I actually bought in somewhere here in the middle between this range. So I don't think my gains would be that high. I think my gains would probably be more like 100%. Yeah, like 100% or so. But yeah, Spell token, TA looks really good. It's a completely new token. It's only been trading on Coinbase for like 3 weeks. And right now it looks like everything is starting to move to the upside again, but we'll see. And it's just weird, right? Circulating supply is 0 and market cap is 0. I don't know if Coin Market Cap is just if the API from Coinbase that they're getting from Coin Market Cap is just weird, but it's weird. That's why I got it. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.